What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be swapping out a couple small things on the Panigale V2. We're going to change out the heel guards that I have here on the DBK rear sets. So the kit does not come with heel guards when you get it, so I'm just using the stock ones right now. And then we're also going to swap out, or not swap out, we're just going to add a brake lever guard here. So what we're going to be using are these heel guards here from DBK, nice carbon touch. And then we're also going to be adding the brake lever guard here from TWM. So there you go, you can see what it is here on the back. But shout out to Manny at Moto Million. If you guys are looking to pick these parts up, definitely head over and check them out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get these installed. All right guys, I forgot to mention that you get two of these bar ends in the kit. So one's from the brake lever side and then you get the other one for your clutch side. All right, and that's it guys, super quick video. Just wanted to show you the install of this TWM brake lever guard. Looks really good. And then the carbon fiber heel guards that we have here on the DBK rear sets. Looks really good, really clean. And again, a huge shout out to Manny at Moto Million. If you guys are looking to pick these up for your V2 or even any other bike, because this is a universal part, go ahead and head over and check them out. Other than that guys, we'll see you in the next one.